How to fix Google not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here. Scroll down and search Google app. Scroll down. You will see Google app is here, so click on Google app. Now here, scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, you will see. So if you want to fix Google not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So click on delete. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.